know about cockatoos is that they are very, very intelligent. You have to keep them really, really busy, both physically and mentally, isn't that right? And something that Darcy has learned to do to keep herself busy is, well, she learned this actually, she does it on her own. She loves a bit of dancing, okay? So Darcy, show everybody your favourite dance move. Yes, we call this the headbanger. Go on, keep going, we'll have one more. Fantastic, good girl. Now, as Darcy was dancing there, you may have noticed that flash of salmon pink on top of her head, and it's these long feathers here. Now, this is known as her crest, and all cockatoos have a crest, and they actually use it to communicate with other birds. They can raise that crest in alarm or excitement, or they can also raise it to make themselves look bigger and scarier if they feel nervous or threatened. Now, something else that Darcy likes to do here at the zoo is keep fit with a bit of exercise. So Darcy, can you go to the rope and show everybody your pull-ups? Drop and give me 5. Oh, I know it's very hot today. Go on, all the way off. That's it, there's 3. Keep going. 4, 5. Oh, and we're getting some extra ones for good measure. All right, Darcy, you can stop now. Yes, thank you. Good girl. Now, Darcy is one of the newer birds that we have here at the show. If you come back and see us again soon, she may have learned a few new things. But for now, thank you very much to Darcy. Go on, give her a